Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to make these beaded velvet scrunchies. They are only 2 rounds and super easy to make, quick and fast. You can actually make one in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, which makes them perfect for an easy and fast make. Let's start with the materials and continue with the pattern itself. For this project I am using velvet yarn, which is 100 grams and has 120 meters in one bow. It is a bulky, super bulky weight, 6 yarn, 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and we will need some beads. These beads are pony beads, I think. Mine are 10 millimeter with 5 millimeter opening. Make sure that your opening is big enough so you can place your hook inside the bead like this, or you can string them beforehand, but if you choose bigger with beads with bigger opening, it will be easier to work with them. Also, we will need an elastic band, a hair tie like this one here. Now let's start. We will start with a slip knot. Take your knot, take your loop on your hook, and then take your hair tie and go through the hair tie, then yarn over and pull a loop, and then yarn over and pull through the two loop of your hook. This is a regular single crochet. We will just work it around around the hair tie like this. So in round 1 we are making as many single crochet as we can make into the hair tie. It's like something around between 50 and 60 single crochet, or 40 and 50. I don't know exactly how many. I didn't count them. Just make as many as you can, and when you are making them, pull them together. So once you stretch your hairband like this, it won't be too visible. Once you fill your hair tie till your starting point, join your round with slip stitch going on top of your first single crochet here, like this. Now for round 2, start with a chain 3 and then make 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Into the next one we will make 1 double crochet, but now we will add a bead. So yarn over, take a bead and place it onto your hook like this, and then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull a loop, then pull the loop through your bead like this. And now yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook to finish your double crochet. And now again we will repeat the same. For the next stitch we will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and now into the next stitch we will add a bead. So yarn over, take a bead, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull a loop, pull the loop through your bead like this, and then yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And continue working, alternating 3 double crochet into the first stitch, then double crochet with a bead into the next stitch till you reach your starting point here. And now once you reach the end of your round, join with slip stitch on top of the third chain of the initial chain 3. This is 1, 2, 3 here, into the third chain of your initial chain 3 like this. Then cut your yarn. You can weave your ends in, but it's pretty difficult with velvet yarn, so I will tie both of my ends together with a knot. Then cut them short like this, and after that I will use a lighter to melt them a little and stick them together like this. Be careful not to burn your scrunchie, just a little bit, so it will stick. Once it is melted, it will stick together. And this is the final result. Here are a few more options. You can see it in different colors, like this. So if you think that this video tutorial was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. See you in the next video!